Hi guys, today I will show you the issue I'm having with my Hyundai Ioniq. It's a big day because it will be finally fixing it. This has been happening since we got it. At the first time the error only occurred occasionally, but now it's been running continuously for about a month. I turn it on and immediately there is an ABS error along with an AEB system check, and when I start moving the warning light even comes on. You see, so this is what we are going to fix today, but why is this problem is happening? I will show you, I will read it with the OBD. I use one like this. I think it cost 20 or 15 euro. No, let's see where it needs to be connected. And here is the connector for the OBD reader. I use the car scanner app for reading the data. I connect to the OBD reader via Bluetooth. Then I select the diagnostic trouble code reader. Here I choose all available options. This can take some minutes to read all the data. What we see here as a result is that, interestingly, the actual error does not appear as an error code. It shows all other errors, so if someone were to relay slowly on this, they might be frightened that there are issues with the car electrical driving system. All right, I deleted all the errors. There are no error messages now. Let's roll the car. And as soon as I start driving, we immediately get all the error message back. The car is 2017 Hyundai Ioniq with 137,000 kilometers. Considering this error, the car is completely fine. It has a range about 240 and 250 kilometers, but with this error, as you can see, it's now fully charged and only shows 162 kilometers. That's all because we do not have regenerative braking due to this error. And we also have no traction control, no anti-blocking system, no cruise control. So we need to solve this issue. Finally, we have arrived at the service center, and look at that. The consumption is 15.8 kilowatt hours for 100 kilometers. But we were just coasting. This error dramatically increases the consumptions. So where is the error then? It's here behind the wheel. The problem is that the ABS sensor is combined with the hub. Then let's leave the experts to work and we will wait for the call. They called, the car is ready. It took a day longer at the service because they initially sent the wrong part. There are both 3-volt and 4-volt mounting option, and we needed the 4-volt one, so make sure to pay attention to that. There was also a symptom where the speedometer would jump while stationary the car. This could indicate that one of the ABS sensors is faulty. Let's test the car in the service center parking lot. We are not getting any error messages. The diagnostics were final correct, and everything is functioning properly due to the replaced left rear wheel hub. Thank you to the service center for their help and repair, and of course thank you for watching the whole video. If you have any similar problem, please share in the comment section how you solved it. Please subscribe to the channel for similar videos, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Goodbye and see you.